And welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute.
Good morning and welcome to this Monday Morning Minute. I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin, and today we're going to be cementing a fixed upper roundhouse bridge on my patient here. And previously she had lower denture stabilization done, but we're going to take her upper temporary out. These are upper temporary roundhouse fabricated by Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. And I'm going to take this out and we're going to check the implants. Open for me. And snapped on. I have it snapped on with the O-ring housings like we normally do. And I'm going to rinse her out a little bit and check everything. And I'm just going to check her implants. So I like to tap on them. And that's the sound we're looking for. Her gums are a little irritated from the temporary being in there for a while. But not bad, just a little bit of bleeding, nothing bad. That's normal for wearing temporaries for a while. And here's the upper roundhouse bridge on the model. This is a cemented version of the Zirconia Roundhouse. As you know, we can do detachable fix-on-6 restoration. This is a cemented permanent bridge. And we're going to try it in and see. Now, smile big for me. So when somebody smiles without teeth in, if you can see the edge of her gums, smile big, you can see the edge of the gums. If you weren't able to see the implants or the edge of the gums, then you would have to add pink porcelain. But in this case, we don't need any pink because we can see the edge of her natural gum line. Bite together gently. Okay, very nice. They look absolutely stunning. And we're gonna make you a new lower denture so that the color matches. Open for me. I'm just gonna clean the blood a little bit. Use saliva ejector, please. What do you think?
I like it.
They look gorgeous, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and remove this now, and I'm gonna have you sign a consent to cement. So we're gonna have you sign off on it, and then we're gonna cement your teeth in, okay? Here, let me just see that here. So just take a little video of that. That's an important part of this, is to get the patient to approve of the color and shape of the teeth before we do a final cementation. Okay, let's go ahead and dry those. Okay. We'll go ahead and cement that with the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T cement.
Okay.
So always dispense a little bit of cement to make sure it's mixing properly. My assistant is drying her implants real well. We put the cement in the holes of the bridge. Okay, and that's zirconia porcelain. That's perfect. Okay, bite together. Okay. And open and bite again, and just hold pressure on that, okay? Just like that for 3 minutes, okay?
Mm.
We want to make sure that we're all the way up to the gum line, that the has a slight blanch to it, which it does. Bite a little tighter, okay? Just hold that nice and tight, okay? All right, perfect. Just hold that for 3 minutes. Open for me. Bite together.
Give him the real stuff,
Open.
the real one we
Bite.
use.
Open.
This is horseshoe better.
Bite. Bite. Open. The bite looks good, actually.
Yeah. This is a different brand.
Yeah, but it's different material.
Yeah.
It looks
Yeah,
fantastic. Thank you, Rose.
Thank you.
So we'll make you an appointment in about a week or two, and we'll make new lower denture for her. Okay? Thank you for joining me on the Monday Morning Minute. We'll see you next time.
Join Dr. Thomas Baggett, Dr. Randy Staples, and of course the birthday boy himself, Dr. Todd Shatkin. And they will be sharing their over a century of implant experience with all attendees at our course. And then on Friday afternoon, Dr. Samuel Shatkin will be giving a lecture on Botox and dentistry and how to save those restorations that you work so hard on. On Saturday, Dr. Samuel Shatkin will be doing a hands-on Botox lecture. The course will go from 8 a.m. till noon. Anyone who's interested in learning to do Botox hands-on with live patients, this is your course. Sign up today for this exciting advanced course in Buffalo. Join us on June 7th to celebrate a major milestone, Dr. Todd Shatkin's 60th birthday party. We're hosting a backyard barbecue and a pool party at his home, and you're invited. The day kicks off with continuing education, so come learn, connect, and grow. Then stay for the food, friends, and fun as we honor Dr. Shatkin's incredible legacy. It's a celebration you won't want to miss and a memory we'll make together. RSVP today, and we look forward to seeing you there.